Naimbag nga rabii, kumusta kayon? And I said from the last video, we're going to learn few Ilocano phrases during meals and we're going to learn how to say beyond and rice. So that's our topic for tonight. And also, I'm going to include few clips on the video for tonight. I was here last Thursday, I was off, and Mom was here. So, I decided to make videos while we're talking in Ilocano. Simulan na natin. Sa Ilocano, if you wanna say, let's eat, you say, mangan tayon. Mangan tayon. Ma, ngan, ta, yon. Mangan tayon. And if you wanna say, this is good, or if you wanna say, the food is delicious, or sa Tagalog, masarap, sa Ilocano you say, naimas. Naimas. Na, i, mas. Naimas. That means the food is good or delicious. Naimas. At kanin or rice sa Ilocano ay innapoy. Innapoy. In, na, poy. Innapoy. And what we call viand or in Tagalog ay ulam, sa Ilocano ay sida. Sida. Ulam is sida. Si, da. Da. Sida. Inyati si data?
Dito ni karne norte, nila o ti pichay con patatas.
Yep, I asked my mom what's our ulam or anong ulam natin or what's our viand. I said, anya ti si data. Anya, ti, sida, ta. Anya, say that again, that means what. And with the 5W questions, we already covered that. I'm going to put the link down below. So if you haven't seen the video yet, you can see the link down below. And I asked my mom, anya ti si data? And she said, dayta ni, or iyan o, that. That. Corned beef, nila ukak ti petchay ken patatas. She said, that corned beef, I added bok choy and potatoes.
Green peas.
Sinangag or fried rice and sa Ilocano ay
Kinirog.
kinirog nga innapoy. Okay, mangantayon. Well, yeah, we had fried rice, so let's say fried rice. Kinirog. Kinirog. Ki, ni, rog. Kinirog. Faster. Kinirog. Nabusog akon. Si ka mama nalpaskan?
Gwen. Nabsug akon.
Si ka mama nalpaskan? Remember si ka? Si ka? We learned that from the past video, and that means you. I asked my mom if she's done eating. Si ka mama nalpaskan? Are you done? Nalpaskan? And she said, one. 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 That means yes. And we already covered how to say yes, no, and maybe in Ilocano. So If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put the link down below so you can see the video. And she said, 1. Nabusog akon. Yes, I'm full. Nabusog na busog akon. Akon. Yes, I'm full. Okay, let's say that again. I said, sika, you. Sika, mama, nalpaskan. Are you done, mom? And she said, 1. Or yes. 1. Nabusog akon. Yes, I'm full. Okay, so that's our video for tonight, and more on the next video. Also, I'm gonna put links below related to the video, and I'm going to put the Ilocano words that we use on the video, and also I'm going to put English subtitles and Tagalog if I have enough time. Okay, bye-bye. See you guys. Good night.